This is the Asunum Cineview HE, a dual-band, multicast, wireless streaming device that offers a few tricks up its sleeve. Powered by Sony MP batteries, DC or USB-C, the Cineview HE packs a punch, especially if your camera has an HDMI output. No luck if you have SDI. For that, you may want to upgrade to Asunes Cineview Quad lineup. However, at this price, with a range of over 1,200 feet, streaming at 1080p, there isn't really much to complain about. The question is, can you make money from it? Let's roll the intro and talk about that next. Welcome to FlashFilm Academy's Flash 5, where I'll be unboxing this product and asking 5 questions to get to one answer. Can you make money with the Asunes Cineview HE? Before we get into those 5 questions, let's talk about what's in the box and why you would even need a device like this. Major disclaimer though, the Cineview HE has been provided to me by Asunes, but if it's trash, I'm gonna tell you it's trash. Now let's get back to it. Video streaming technology has dropped in price tremendously in the past 3 to 4 years. It seems like everybody's making a device that offers wireless video transmission. But why? Why should I invest in one? And what's the benefit to my client? Back in the day, I felt like the main purpose for a device like this would be to allow directors to have a view of the camera's feed and for focus pullers, really to pull focus and have their own monitor. But today, these devices are great for allowing you to wirelessly connect to a camera during a live stream or providing your client with a live view of the production from a safe distance away. And when I say safe distance, I mean not over my damn shoulder while I'm trying to work. Now, there are other reasons to have a tool like this in your bag. However, these are often how I use the devices. So as you can see, in the box, you get a transmitter, receiver, and 8 antennas, 2 cold shoe adapters, and the instructions. If you want to know the current price, make sure you click the link below. Up next, let's talk about some key features of this device. To me, the key features is not only its ability to stream your video signal to a receiver, but also to any iOS or Android device running the Asunes Go app. The Go app offers tons of features, like professional monitor controls, and when installed on a device that has internet access, you can even live stream from that app to any streaming platform that you choose. That's an added touch you may not find in other wireless streamers at this price point. It can act as a capture device when you plug in the receiver into your computer via USB-C. It has some unique features that's pretty dope for this price point. Let's talk about some of the pros of this device. It felt like these devices are all getting smaller and smaller. It can fit in the palm of your hand and has solid build quality. With a range of about 1,200 feet, it packs a punch. Again, other devices in this price point only offer a range of about 800 feet. The Cineview HE transmit video signals at 1080p, 60 frames per second. The dual band connection means a solid signal broadcasting to both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz simultaneously. Keep in mind, other devices at this price point say 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, but it's not simultaneously. However, this device uses both to give you a stronger, more reliable signal. Up next, let's talk about the cons of this device. It's not really a con, but it's something you need to know. If you're using a iOS or Android device, your range is limited to the strength of your device's Wi-Fi. So expect a range under 400 feet. For maximum range, you may want to use the receiver. With latency about 60 milliseconds, I would not recommend this device to pull focus. I'm not saying it's impossible, it's just not the best device out there. However, it is about the best device at this price point. Let me make sure I throw that asterisk in there. At this price point, you gotta do what you gotta do. However, with latency at about 60 milliseconds, if you're using this as a wireless camera on a live streamer, make sure your live streaming device has the ability to, delay the audio or delay the video so you can sync it with the live stream and other cameras that are hardwired to that device. So let's talk about who is this for? Who needs this? This device is for a budget to mid-range content creator who needs a reliable but flexible video transmission system without breaking the bank. The Cineview HE does just that, while providing range that outperform other video transmission systems within that price point. Up next, let's talk about how the client can benefit from this device. Clients love the ability to feel a part of the production team. Most clients don't like getting in your way. So if I can provide them with the ability to view the production from their phone or tablets, it's a win-win for my team. Plus, I ain't got clients all over my shoulder. I ain't got to do all of that, and I don't like them all on my screen. You know what I'm saying? Also, you leave the set knowing that the client viewed the footage and have an idea of what to expect when it comes to the content that is delivered. I can't tell you how many times I've had clients request simple things that they were able to see while we were on set. Up next, let's talk about my final thoughts. Look, as your business grows, having the ability to show clients your shots in real time is inevitable. Plus, you're going to want to do this with the ability to have enough space to do you, especially when you're dealing with clients that like to micromanage. This allows me to let you see what I'm doing way over there. This particular unit, in my opinion, is a great place to start. It's a great entry point into the world of wireless video transmission. Keep in mind, just like 3 or 4 years ago, this system would have cost 10 times more than what this device is listed at today. If you're interested in checking out this product, check out the link below. And if you're a gold member, all my gold members who are part of the community, check out the gold version of this video where I'll discuss how I would make money with the Cineview HE. And we're gonna go into details on how I offer it as a upsell. If you're not a gold member, feel free to join using the link below. And I'm gonna tell you just how we can make this thing pay for itself a whole lot faster by offering certain benefits that the client will like. Remember, we buy for features, we care about features. The client cares about benefits. So we need to display those benefits to the client. And there are some unique ways you can twist or present things that will make a client pay to have this on set. As always, be inspired, be creative, but you better be profitable. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like content like this, click the link on the screen and go over to flashfilmacademy.com. We have a membership that will give you access to 300 plus hours of content designed to help you grow your business. That's all we talk about. Click that link, start your trial. We even have premium courses, contracts, and templates, all for the business side of this industry. You can go somewhere else to learn how to take pretty pictures, but when you're ready to get that bag, when you're ready to do this for a living, that's where FlashFilm Academy comes into play. All right, see you in the next video.